This is a quick guide to help you manually provision your Grandstream handset. Most Grandstreams have a similar web config to this GRP model. You'll need the phone's LAN IP address to access the phone's web management UI. On the front of the handset, press the round Settings button, then select Status, Network Status, Ethernet, and finally IPv4 to get the IP address. The default username is admin, and the password is also admin. This is the web management interface. Navigate to Account 1 and edit the line. In this example, we are converting the number to one of our numbers. Ensure you use country and area codes. Enter the proxy. While I have set the account name, SIP server, and SIP authentication to use the phone number, you can use a personal username as the account name if you prefer. The password should be either your main account password, or you can also use your restricted lines password feature. Remember, we support the newer Grandstream's GXX via our automated device provisioning. That's the basic setup. Let us know if you have any further questions.